Okay, hi guys. So I grinded for like a couple hours. Just kidding. It was more like 10 minutes. Felt like a couple hours though. Yeah, so we're here in this fantastic game here. Come here. Yeah. This is my sniper post, just so you guys know. Pretty awesome, if you ask me. I believe this is the second coin. Yep. So we need to hitchhike back. Well, that was close. Oh, you're gay, Lakitu. Nothing against gays, it's just... Okay, come on. Come on. No, I believe this coin is way... Yep. Right here. Now, this leads right onto a path. Which is nice. It's nice, this game is finally nice to us. It doesn't lead us right into death. Like that did. But we didn't die, because we're cool. Come here, Lakitu. Thank you. Whoa. Yeah, see? No, I believe I can... Yeah, I can shoot up here. And... now, we're back. Tons of coins. No. Okay, so there's that. So that's pretty awesome. We finished up that level and stuff. Now, I believe this is the swimming level. Oh, I like this level. I actually do like this level. Well, for one, I know where, like, everything is. Like, there's that first coin. You need to butt slam, that ground pound I mean. I'm always used to calling it butt slam. So my friend told me it was ground pound. I got angry at him and I was like, no, it's butt slam. We got in a huge argument and stuff. It was pretty epic, I guess. Now, there's just that one coin there. And right here is, you just hold down and a mushroom pops out. Now, if you have flower power, it just makes your life a whole lot easier. You can just do that. But of course, if you don't, then, you know, stuff. Figure it out. Just kidding. I'm not that mean. It's just, I don't want to. figure it out. Now right here is a 1-up, but I don't need that. Doesn't do anything for me since I'm wow. Okay, well I already failed this, so freeze try. Now what you have to do here is actually kind of complicated. Well, not complicated, it's just a little hard. That's what you have to do. And then you get to right here. And I believe no, oops. Whatever. Doesn't matter much. Because I didn't need the 1-up anyways. But now we go through here again. We go through here. And we get down. And we're about 6:20 something. So we're good for time. I was gonna say maybe next time I'll show you this, but we're good for time. Death. Sorry I haven't been very talkative today. My foot still hurts. And, you know, you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. Now, if you just take all this flower power, you can jump over him, but, you know, it's not as fun. Kill off that thing. Go all the way up here and just run. Oh, well, I didn't do it right. What you do here is just run, and if you didn't do it right, again, like me, then just crouch and fail. Crouch and fail. That's what I always say. For some reason I can't get to that. Why? Ugh. Oh, we're crunched for time here too. That was bad. Okay, finally, we get to it. Okay, and then just basically just run here. If you want those boxes there, you don't need them. But if you want it, then take them. Because they're pretty cool, I guess. I recommend taking that out and then going like this and then running like heck and just failing again. Gosh, pooping darn it. Run, yeah! We made it! Now there's just a way that you can... Yeah, that's what I was talking about there. You put an invisible block right there, and you can just jump off the top of it. And land perfectly like so, and get a 1-up. Okay, so that seems like a good time to end the video. So, I'll see you guys next time on Mario and Luigi 919. And one person I forgot to give a shout out to last video was to Fable 919. Now, I copied his numbers. Don't be like, oh, you stupid, you have the same numbers at the back of your thing. Well, yeah, I know, I copied it because I like his videos. And they're good numbers. I didn't copy his full screen name, of course, but Mario and Luigi, New Super Mario Bros. See you later.